Nice.
This is about the drainage system, how the from the mountain, the glaciers, the water goes down into the and it forms the rivers.
Good.
I request teacher whoever is present around class 10F, kindly start sending the students.
Hands are not pinning. Okay.
We have placed the airlines, apartments, and solar panels that to show the advantages of the technology that's
working.
Yes, we can.
There are many types of people like rich, live in apartments, and poor people have made small homes. And we also place solar panels that we can use the solar energy to generate electricity and also within years. And we are
It is a drip irrigation, so it will be like drop to every root. And we are conserving the water here. We can refine it and later use it here. And here is the rainwater harvesting. So in the off season we can use this water for the irrigation so that the farm may not stop giving the yield. The produce will be continuous.
DJ of class 12, please come to the office. DJ of class 12. Safety, I think you are going through the wrong side.
What is that?
Miss, the groundwater is pumped out, Miss, here.
Who made? You made.
Miss, we all made.
Nice.
This is a bamboo drip irrigation, and here from the water enters the bamboo and it reaches the field.
Oh my God, strong.
Yes, those are the real ones.
All of a sudden.
10B, I expect you all to behave well. Please get inside the classroom. 10B boys, please get inside the classroom.
This is rainwater harvest.
Sana,
The rain
get
is
inside
going
the
down
classroom.
and from the pipe the water is getting stored here, and from there it's going to the agricultural field, and there is a underground tank also where the water is getting stored.
You enter. Energy resource. Good morning, miss. You'll make this glass?
sewage treatment plant. All the dirty water which is stored inside is purified and the water is used recycled.
Global warming.
This is thermal pollution.
Where? You say globe? Thermal pollution.
Yes, because of the leakage, we are unable to put this species in water bodies.
Okay.
Oh, you
You'll be
The
set.
idea was to put this here.
Then why? You'll fit up to the plastic.
Miss, it's plastic only, so over here, there also. They pasted with the glue gun.
Very hard work.
Thank you, miss.
Look here. Please use the hair dryer.
Class 10D. 10D, if you have the please come to the office. Akash of class 12, please come to the school office.
Wait. Very hard. We are giving the suggestion. You run the shuttle light, don't you?
घंटी वाली नहीं
Secondly, he thought that there would be much expenditure in spending electricity for this power source. Therefore, he thought of making the other form of sprinkler
That
irrigation.
is also thought by Ramlal.
Yes, sprinkler irrigation, which is powered by solar energy. So this solar energy is used to power this pump, and when it powers up, then the sprinkler irrigation starts. Water is supposed to go everywhere in the farm, and very little water is used to irrigate all the crops. Thus, it is used efficiently. And therefore, modern sources of irrigation are the future of our country. And thus, Ramlal is able to make a very good income.
Good.
Yes, miss.
Done.
We are doing it.
That's standing light.
Miss, in that model, I have.
हिजो पनि मैले यिनीहरूलाई नै आफै जा भनेको
You show this class 7. Avunu ni Anita.
Okay, now show please explain.
This is an electronic quizboard. As if we will touch one pointer to the question and one pointer to the answer. As you can see, here are questions and here are the answers. If we touch the question and answer correctly, the bulb will glow. Otherwise, it will not glow. As the question is, who played the role of Rama in popular TV series Ramayana? The answer is Arun Gobul. If we will touch this, the bulb will glow. Otherwise, in wrong answer, it will not glow. And the next question is, who is the chairman and co-founder of the Facebook? The answer is Mark Zuckerberg. It will work. And in other questions, it will not.
Good.
There is a very shortage of water. Many people die due to the shortage of water. So as we know about 51% of our surface is covered with water, there is only 2.7% of fresh water. So we need to conserve water for our upcoming future generation. And our project motive is that only that water is how precious for us, and we want to show our project. Though our project is simple, but it has its meaning. Thank you.
Now. What is this? Speak, let me hear. Explain.
Water purification plant. In this model,
Anita, say.
this is water purification plant. Its process is simple. Means, what is the use of it? It clears wastewater into purified water so that we can use it for our daily work, like drinking or washing clothes, washing cars, or planting plants, etc. Now first we have used here pebbles, then sand, then charcoal, then in last we have used chlorine tablets. Pebbles will clear big stones or napkins, wrapper, etc. And then sand will clear small stones or napkins, etc. Then charcoal will absorb chemical substances so that it would not affect or make diseases affect. Ma'am, then chlorine tablets. Ma'am, it will clearly purified the water, and then it will go to storage tank and then to and nature will clear it.
रुकिए ना, हाँ काम कर रहा है अभी तो घर तक आओ ना जल्दी भाई हम विदेशी बाबू नहीं विदेशी बाबू वैसे के लिए हमें भी याद है बैटरी खत्म हो गया था तो पॉकेट हो गया
Good, good. This will not fly.
It's because of water.
That's why it's not flying. Catch it. Hey, yo, God, no person. Explain God.
There is a wire connected to the surface of the
Yeah,
So first, the rainwater will get collected on the roof of the houses, and then it will get stored in the filtration tank, where the filtration process will take place. The filtration process will take place if we remove all the impurities from the water, and the rainwater will get collected in the sewage tank, where the use of water can be there for irrigation, irrigating the crops and water. So then the collected water will get, when the water comes from the sewage tank, it will get collected in the well, and from there many purposes can be happen, like irrigation, food. In village areas also there is simple.
What shall I make?
Which types of dustbins are topic, and here it shows that a clean society, villages, waterfall, industries and hospitals defines.
What shall I make?
We have a power plant.
This is a working model of a fuse in which we are demonstrating how a fuse works. And as you know, a fuse is a safety device which has a wire inside it which melts when the power supply goes over the safe level and prevents the electrical circuit from getting into fire. This demonstration is based on that.
फोटो मानी
GoPro. GoPro.
Sir, I'm with Ladra.
You send us the pictures. अच्छे से करा देना.
Shall I finish explaining?
Yes, miss. This video. Send me.
Class 10, you should not take so long. Class 10, turn right. Turn right and start moving. You see the exhibition and keep on moving.
What this is?
It's a model showing the layers of the earth.
No section?
That there is no ecosystem, no water, no aquatic life, only industries and lots of air pollution. Now, let's imagine a future with sustainable development. This is the brighter and healthy ecosystem which is with sustainable
development. We, other than using coal, we are using solar panels, that is renewable resources. Also we are protecting this. By doing this, we are protecting air pollution and also we are protecting several degradation of land. Now we can see here several things like school, malls and everything is there. But there is building, but together with there is greenery also. We all are having a healthy lifestyle with malls, with tall buildings, but also with healthy ecosystem. We have we can have real fish. We have shown here a real fish. That how they are so healthy, and we have the healthy greenery. We have the malls, we have the buildings, and now we have manipulated the cars that make pollution by cars that are electrically charged. We have EV chargers, and also the water that is being wasted today, and because of what this barren land has arisen, we are using that water as a rainwater harvesting system. All the water that is going by rain, it is coming down and utilizing in the pond, and also it is restored as a groundwater. This is all you see. Thank you,
This GoPro.